Happy Friday, everyone. It's your weekly reminder to be a human. You need to have something to express in order to express it. So this week we have an exercise that you could do to develop your relationship with your artistry, see how you see the world. Get your favorite nature documentary and put it on mute and play an album that you love or an album that you haven't heard all the way through while watching the documentary, and see how that affects your perception of what you're seeing. Or change it up, change from something soft and melodic to something heavy, and see how that translates into what you're seeing. You want to build that relationship and increase the amount of senses you associate with music. That way you could draw from it and pull from it inside your own creative sessions. All right, so have a great artist date, and we'll see you next week.